I'm Moji. Welcome back with the other video. So today I'm going to show you all my slimes. So I already started the video, other video, but it just stop recording and I make another one. So, but this one, let me just get right into the video. And sorry about the bad lighting. I'll put you guys down right now to show you guys the slime. So right here I have a purple base slime with just regular white glue and with glitter in it. Super good glitter in it. So yeah, let me put you guys over here. Oopsies, and I hope I can end it this time because I'll be so mad if I do. Okay. That kind of went everywhere, but this is the slime. Now I'm filming in my living room, by the way. So I hope you like this new area, filming area probably. So it's kind of sticky. Let me show you it one more time, and then we do one more crunch, or let's do a poop swirl. That more people call it like that. And let me show you the other one, and I will just put it to the side and show you this one. And this one I'm not going to take out because I really don't like it. It's just a bluish slime with some rubber bands, hair rubber bands. And I don't like it because it's I don't like the feeling. It's supposed to have sand in it, and plus this rubber bands. It was good before, but it's just not good anymore. So let's put that back. Okay, sorry back to the background noises. But this is the slime. It's a blue. This is the third slime. This is a blue slime. Just a regular blue. It's kind of a toy, and I really don't like this lady. So yeah, but this is a blue one or just regular stuff. So that's how it is. It's crunch it and everything. And it's a dog eating right there. So sorry if you hear the dogs eating. That's because of that. So yeah, this is the slime. I got some slime on here. Okay. So let's put this one back in. Let's go right into the next one. Okay. So this one is a blue slime with blue glitter in it, and it's super good. And a small one with baby oil, I think. And it's super good as a slime. So yeah. So I like it, but the oil smell, I just don't like the oil smell. But the rest I do. So let's put this one back in the container, and this was our fourth slime. So let's show you the fifth slime. This is a foam slime. You guys can't see it, but it's the foam. There's some foam balls in here. If you could see it, kind of no. Okay, so it's soup. There's the dog if you could see it. Okay. The foam balls go everywhere, and I am thinking to sell these, and if I do, I might not sell this one because this one's super messy. So yeah, because I don't like poking it like this because it could go in my nails, and I really don't like that going in my nails. So I'm just trying to let you guys hear the noise. But this is the slime. It's a green slime with some foam balls in it. And I really don't like it. So this is our 5th slime. Let's go on to our 6th slime. This is a fun slime too, but it's not messy like the other one. This one can clean up. Okay, this was made from what is it called? The blue gel shaving cream, and it's some foam box in it. Let's see, it's crunchy, and I really don't want this in there. Okay. Hear that? That's super good slime. And let's do this. And yeah, maybe I could clean up with this. Okay, so let's put this back in my area right here. And I kind of want to get this over with because I need to go. She's not here, but I'll finish this and then I'll go to my thingy. Okay, so this is like kind of this slime, but like a better, because that one's like hard. This is like super crispy, super noisy. This is a mint green, and it's made from paint. Raphael was smelling it, and it smells super. No, it's pokey, super crinkly. And it's super crinkly. I'll call this the ocean or like the light blue water because it's super good and it's super blue. And this is our 1, 2, 3, 7 slime. So let's go on to our 8th slime. Okay, so this is like a butter slime, I guess, but I might not find this one too. It's like you just need to keep playing with it. It kind of smells bad. I don't know how I made this, but like super bad. I don't like it. I'm wondering. I don't know, but like it's just super weird. Oh, I have lotion in it. I'm like, why does it smell like that? Because I have lotion in it. Some of my slides have lotion, some of them don't. Most of them don't. So yeah. Okay. This is a water slime. I call it a water slime because it's super jiggly. A jiggly slime. It's super quickly. I call this the water slime. Or just water blue. Dark blue. This one and the other one have this almost the same name because they're like the same, but like different color. And I call this the water jiggly. Oh wait, the super water blue. Oh wow. I'm like, why is it not capping? Because it's not open. So, okay, so what's happening here? Oh my, Jesus Lord, what's happening? So, okay. Our 8th slime, so this is our 9th slime. What's this one? I don't get the slime. Like, what? How did I make this one? Because I seriously did not know. And that's probably like just regular slime. But this is just regular slime. So let's go to our 10th slime. And this is, I call this the chocolate slime because it's kind of it's like a purplish, brownish color. So I'm going to call it that. I'm just kind of making up names. But like those two last ones, I know the name because like, But this is a foamy slime. So yeah. And I'm just going to pick that up. Okay. These are 12 slimes. Well, this is my 11, 12 slime. Well, this is my lemon slime. And if I sell these will be 80 cents or 99 cents or a quarter, like 50 cents. Because they're super small. And yeah. So these are the cheapest slimes. And this is a super good slime. So I might keep this one and might sell it. I'm not for sure because this is super good slime. It's the gel slime. The gel glue, I mean. Super clear. I can't poke it. It's like sticking to me. But it's good. It's okay. I have some activator in hand in case. Not on my hand. This is 4 slimes, but this is 3rd slime. So yeah. So this is, I call this the orange pop because it's super like it's super bright orange. So I'm calling it the orange pop. So that's how this one is. I may have to change container because that one's like broken. And that's picking up the last slimes. Okay, so this is a super good slime with this is regular slime. Super blue. This is like the water blue one, like the jiggly one, but this one's like thicker and not watery. So yeah. And the air is just turning on, so sorry about that. If you're wondering why I'm doing that, because like the lighting. So this is 15 slime. I'll say, I don't know, 14. I don't know. This is a super foamy slime, and this one doesn't have like a name. It's just a slime, a super foamy slime, like an ice cube. I'll say. I'm making a small stack, and this is super good. This is super good of a slime. So yeah. Okay, this is a foggy white slime, but it's still super good slime. Like it's like a putty, but I don't know. I might not sell this one because it's like this, but yeah. Now all my slimes I have like let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17 slimes are in total. So yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment down below what else you want me to do next, and I will. Peace out.